Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever felt the thrill of scoring the final point in a closely fought game? That moment when the crowd goes wild and you know you've made a difference? That's the magic of sports. Across the globe, people cherish sports for their ability to bring excitement, challenge, and joy. Whether it's the fast-paced action of basketball, the strategic play of soccer, or the endurance test of swimming, each sport offers a unique thrill. Sports are more than just games. They are a universal language that connects diverse cultures and personalities. They teach us about teamwork, discipline, and the pursuit of excellence. No matter where you are from, there's likely a sport that captures your imagination, and maybe even your heart. From the icy rinks of hockey to the serene greens of golf, the world of sports is vast and varied. Today, I'll share why one particular sport captures my heart more than any other. My favorite sport is basketball. Let's dive into the dynamic world of basketball, a sport loved by millions around the globe. Basketball is a game played between two teams, each aiming to score by shooting a ball through the opponent's hoop. Each team has 5 players on the court, and the game is divided into 4 quarters, each lasting about 12 minutes. The court itself is a rectangular area with a hoop at each end, elevated 10 feet above the ground. The main objective is to score points by shooting the ball through the opposing team's hoop, which earns the team 2 points or 3 if the shot is taken from beyond the 3-point line. A typical basketball game begins with a jump ball, where the ball is tossed into the air and the players leap to tip it to their teammates. From there, the pace is fast. Players dribble, pass, and shoot, all while defending vigorously against the other team. The game is a thrilling mix of speed, strategy, and skill. Basketball's popularity stretches far and wide, capturing hearts from the bustling streets of New York to the sunny courts of Barcelona. It's not just a sport, it's a global phenomenon that brings people together, fostering teamwork and community spirit. Now that you know what basketball is, let's explore why it stands out for me. Why do I prefer basketball over other sports? That's a question I often ponder, and the reasons are as thrilling as a fast break leading to a slam dunk. At its core, basketball is a whirlwind of energy, a sport where the action never hits a pause button. It's this fast-paced nature that keeps my adrenaline pumping and my excitement at peak levels. Imagine the scene. The clock ticking down, players weaving through the court, a sudden leap, and the ball swooshes through the net. Every moment is filled with potential plays, rapid decisions, and swift movements. This dynamism is what makes basketball so captivating. It's a game that demands quick thinking and even quicker reflexes, blending physical prowess with mental agility. But the allure of basketball isn't just about the pace. It's also deeply rooted in the spirit of teamwork. On the court, every player is crucial, and learning to work together seamlessly is part of the magic. This camaraderie is built on shared goals and mutual support, which extends beyond the game. The friendships formed on the basketball court often last a lifetime, bound by the shared sweat and triumphs. Moreover, playing basketball offers tremendous health benefits. It's a fantastic way to improve physical fitness, enhancing cardiovascular health through constant movement. Additionally, it boosts coordination and balance. Each dribble, each shot, and each defensive stance refine motor skills and enhance overall body coordination, which are essential not just in sports, but in daily activities. The joy of basketball also lies in its ability to cultivate discipline and resilience. Learning to accept losses, celebrate wins, and work hard regardless of the scoreboard teaches valuable life lessons. But it's not just the physical aspects that draw me in. There's more to my love for basketball. The game encapsulates excitement, teamwork, and personal growth, making it not just a sport I play, but a passion that enriches every aspect of my life. Let me take you through some of my personal experiences with basketball. My journey with basketball began on a bright, sunny afternoon in the 6th grade. Our school coach handed me the basketball during physical education class and said, "Give it a try." That was the first time I ever held a basketball, and honestly, it felt a little awkward. The ball was slippery, my shots were way off, and I spent most of that session chasing after missed throws. Despite these clumsy beginnings, there was something incredibly exhilarating about the game. The way the players moved, the sound of the ball hitting the court, and the cheer of a successful basket, it was all magical. As time went on, basketball became more than just a game. It was during a school tournament in the 8th grade when I truly fell in love with the sport. We were the underdogs and nobody expected much from us. but game after game, we proved them wrong. The final match was nerve-wracking, with the scores tied and just seconds left on the clock. I received the ball, took a deep breath, and made a shot from the three-point line. The ball swooshed through the net as the buzzer went off. We had won. That moment of triumph was unforgettable. It wasn't just about winning. It was about overcoming the doubts and pushing past our limits. Practicing basketball also taught me valuable life lessons, such as discipline and confidence. Early morning practices were tough, and there were days when I wanted to give up. However, sticking to the routine and seeing my skills improve over time was incredibly rewarding. It taught me that persistence pays off, not just in sports, but in every aspect of life. Each dribble and each shot made me more confident, not only on the court, but also in my day-to-day interactions. Basketball has also been a great teacher of teamwork and leadership. Learning to trust teammates, to support them in failure, and to celebrate with them in success has shaped how I approach relationships and work. These aren't just teammates, they're lifelong friends who share countless memories of victories and losses. Over the years, my connection with basketball has only grown deeper. Each game is a new story, a new challenge, and a new opportunity to improve. Each practice session is not just about playing, it's about growing as a player and a person. Each game, each practice session makes my bond with basketball even stronger. To wrap it up, why does basketball hold such a special place in my heart? Well, let's revisit the journey we've taken today. Basketball isn't just about throwing a ball into a hoop, it's about the pulse-pounding excitement that grips me every time I step onto the court. The game is fast, filled with quick passes, strategic plays, and the thrill of making that perfect shot at the buzzer. But it's not all about the adrenaline. Basketball is a fantastic way to stay healthy and fit. It combines cardio, agility, and strength training all in one dynamic package. Every dribble, every defensive stance, and every jump shot contributes to building a stronger, more agile me. Moreover, basketball teaches the value of teamwork. It's about passing the ball, finding the open player, and working together towards a common goal. The friendships and connections I've forged on the basketball court are just as rewarding as any game-winning basket. Lastly, basketball has been a significant part of my personal growth. It has taught me discipline, resilience, and the importance of hard work. Every game is a new challenge, and every practice is a step towards betterment. Basketball is more than just a game to me. It's a part of who I am.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, my favorite sport at level A2. Soccer. Soccer, a game played by two teams of 11 players with a round ball that may not be touched with the hands or arms during play except by the goalkeepers. Example, soccer is my favorite sport because it's exciting, and I love the teamwork involved. Basketball. Basketball, a sport in which two teams of 5 players each try to score points by throwing a ball through a hoop. Example, I prefer basketball because it's fast-paced and requires both skill and strategy. Swimming. Swimming, the sport or activity of moving through water by moving your arms and legs. Example, swimming is my favorite sport because it's refreshing and a great workout for the whole body. Tennis. Tennis, a sport where 2 or 4 players hit a small ball to each other over a net. Example, I like tennis because it's a good way to improve hand-eye coordination and mental focus. Teamwork. Teamwork, the combined action of a group, especially when effective and efficient. Example, playing soccer has taught me the importance of teamwork in achieving goals.